didn't even press record and I've been talking for the last 5 minutes. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be bringing you this prom makeup tutorial. Of course, you don't have to wear it to prom. You can wear it to school, you can wear it to the grocery store, you can wear it to the gym, whatever floats your boat. You can wear it too. So it's definitely not what I set out to do. I want to do more like pinky, purpley mauve tones, but it turned out very warm toned. I know this looks like super kind of like basic right now. It's kind of like going around. Everyone seems to be doing it, so I can't really give credit to like one specific person, but it's very like P. Louise Academy inspired, if you know what I mean. Good for you. Yeah, I used the new Anastasia Soft Glam palette for this look today. A lot of you guys were requesting that I use it because you guys have the palette and didn't know what to do with it. So if you have a Soft Glam palette, you can recreate this look. If you do, tweet me pictures or tag me on Instagram. I always see it. I promise you I will see it. Also, I'm going to do a giveaway at the end of this video because you know I always do giveaways at the end of all my videos. I'm not going to ask you to subscribe because I usually never do, but if you want to, you can. It's pretty fun over here. I try to post as often as I can. I don't know why I'm holding a makeup brush. I try to post as often as I can. It's getting a little rough lately. School has been kicking me in the butt. Prom season is coming up. I have freelancing. It's just really stressing me out, but I graduate next month, so class of 2018. Just kidding, I really don't care. I just want to get out of high school. To graduate next month, things are gonna get so much easier for me. I'm also moving out over the summer. Hopefully I can, so have like all new everything. So yeah, if you want to subscribe now for better future videos, you can, because trust me, it's gonna get so nice over here. Yeah, if you want to know how I created this prom makeup look, then just keep watching and stay tuned to the end for a giveaway. was all for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. It is not what I expected it to turn out to be, but hey, it's still cute anyways. All the products will be listed down below that I used in this video. I know I didn't show my face makeup. That's just because it's kind of repetitive. But I'm gonna list all the products that I showed in the video because my face products are boring and I don't know. But I'm gonna do a giveaway right now. They are all wrapped up in bubble wrap right now for when I mail them out. But I'm gonna be giving away 2 for 1 winner. These are, this is the Profusion Eye and Cheek palette. You can't see it like through the bubble wrap, but it's like this huge blush, contour, eyeshadow palette. I think there's like a highlighter in here. And then also this Profusion Smoky Eyes. So similar to the Urban Decay Naked like smoky palettes. I don't know if you guys can like see some of the colors that are right here. But you can check the description or the pinned comment down below for the instructions to win if you don't already know, because I do them in every video because I love you guys so much. Yeah, I love y'all so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on my social medias if you want to. I love y'all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.